Hello there! This is the smanos SMK-500 smoke detector. It is designed to give early warnings for a developing fire by sounding its built-in siren. Also, it will send a signal directly to a connected control panel. It's recommended for corridors, basements or other confined spaces. The advantage of this smanos smoke detector is that it can easily be connected to all smanos control panels. This means upon detecting smoke it will send a signal to a control panel. The control panel will then send an SMS or push message to a pre-stored phone number, and in that case you will always be notified, even when being outdoors. Check for more information smanos.com or find us on Facebook and Twitter for latest updates. Thank you for watching and see you next time.